Believe you can and you are halfway there. And again, we welcome you all sa ating live coverage ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List nakatabang na kasurog pa. Again, we are live here inside the Daraga covered court sa napakagandang bayan, ang umaarangkadang bayan ng Daraga Albay. And we hope you are enjoying so far dahil meron pang tatlong susunod na laban at pangalawa pa lang po tayo. And more intense games coming in our way ngayong araw. And as we take a look at Damian Lasco from Tabaco and also Rex Seriola from Malinao, who among these players will carry their team to achieve victory. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat sa ating mga nanonood live and nandito sa loob ng Daraga Covered Court. Ako nga po pala si Coach Kyle Andre Lorejo Marilla at makakasama ko ngayon ang another analyst na si Coach Reynel Manlangit. Coach Reynel, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Diyos maray na hapon po, Coach. At Diyos maray na hapon po sa lahat ng nanonood sa live and dito po sa Daraga Covered Court. And let's see kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari. Tuloy-tuloy na ba ang pag-init ngayon o uulan pa ba?
Yeah.
So, abangan natin yan.
Yan din talaga ang panahon natin ngayon. Pero bago natin puntahan ang ating games, stories, and itong bakbakan na to, puntahan muna natin ang ating courtside reporter, ang third member of our panel. Walang iba kundi si Carmela Hernandez.
Magandang hapon mga kasurag, and for our second matchup game this afternoon, we have Tabaco versus Malinao at dapat ating abangan ang mga aksyon dito sa ating hardcourt. Kaya mga kasurag, catch us here live at Daraga Covered Court at para sa ating live broadcast sa Ako Bicol Party List page at Ako Bicol TV at sa page ni Representative Zaldico. Kaya mga kasurag, we encourage you to support us by hitting the like, share button para mapanood ang ating live broadcast in different places around the world. Back to the panel.
Thank you very much. It's a beautiful Carmela Hernandez again delighting this Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And bago natin puntahan ang ating bakbakan, Coach, balikan muna natin ano ba ang nangyari dito sa mga previous outing na magkabilang koponan.
Of course, Coach, bago ang lahat, partner, balikan rin natin ang kanilang mga laro. The Team Tabaco bags their first win against Malilipot in their second game with a 20-point advantage and score of 91 and 63. On the other side naman, partner, Team Malinao bags their first win against Team Tiwi with a 14-point advantage of 104 and 90 score.
And para nga dito, pupuntahan din natin ang ating key player match-up para sa labanang ito. Sino-sino ba ang dapat nating abangan sa magkabilang koponan para dito sa bakbakan na to?
Let's first start with Team Tabaco, Coach. We have Damian Lasco with score of 28 points, 3 rebounds, and 1 assist. And in the other opponent naman, Coach, Team Malinao, we have Rex Seriola scoring 26 points, 7 rebounds, and 2 assists.
And syempre, at bago din natin to puntahan ang ating game story para sa larong ito, balikan natin si Carmela Hernandez, kasama niya ang ating key player matchup for this ball game. Carmela?
Kasama na nga natin ang key player ng Team Malinao, walang iba kundi si Rex Seriola. So, Rex, what are your plans and preparations for today's game?
Makita nyo naman sa Team Tabaco, matataas sila, kumpleto sila sa bilis, may mga bata sila, mga point guard. So sa amin, ang gagawin lang namin, medyo may advantage naman kami sa size, nandiyan namin yung import namin. Push lang kami ng push hanggang sa makapisto yung panintro namin, tsaka bigyan namin doon hulog, tsaka pag belo, tira po kami, open.
So, may gusto ka bang i-invite or pasalamatan?
Pinapasalamatan ko po yung dun sa camp namin sa second APMFC sa pagpayag sa akin na maglaro dito kay Sir Saludes, kay First Amaranto, and sa mga nanonood ngayon sa aking pamilya sa Malinao Albay at sa aking mga kaibigan.
Thank you, Rex, and good luck sa laro ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Coach Ray and Coach Kyle.
At ngayon, puntahan natin ang game story for our ball game. Playing smart, look good. Tabaco versus Malinao.
Yes, Coach. Itong play smart, look good. They have the same record, Coach. So this afternoon, let's see kung sino ba yung aarangkada o sino ba yung maiiwan. So this is a very good matchup, Coach, partner. So I think walang magpapatalo dito. Sino ba yung uuwi or they bring their shine in their town. So kailangan nating abangan to, mga ka-viewers. And hopefully, maganda yung matchup, maganda yung magiging laro this afternoon. Abangan rin natin yung mga susunod pang laro kasi we still have 3 remaining games na kailangan nating abangan, most especially yung main event natin mamayang hapon.
And right now, kung babalikan natin ang kanilang previous outings, coach, eto parehas galing sa magandang panalo and with a decent margins. Yung nga kanina Tabaco with a 28-point advantage and dun sa Team Malinaw naman with 14. What
Yes,
do you
coach.
think will be the factor right now with these two teams bagging their win in their previous outings?
Of course, coach, nandun yung preparedness nila ngayon. So, nag-practice yan. For sure, ayaw nilang matalo ngayon. So, I think they are going to utilize their strength and of course, minimize their weaknesses. Kasi kung hindi nila yan ma-utilize yung strength nila, possibility pwedeng magkaroon ng ganito ulit na lamang. So, I think the both teams are already prepared and ready for this game. So, let's wait and watch na lang po.
Ayan na nga, and every game right now, when we go deeper and deeper here in our first round of elimination, at tatandaan natin, kung babalikan natin ang tournament format for the Ako Bicol Cup 2022, we are divided into 3 districts based on our province, and the top 2 in each district or in each bracket will advance to the second round for another single round robin elimination, and the top 4 team from the top 6 will advance to the semifinals. And again, syempre yung panalo dun on that 2 semifinal matchup will advance to the finals for a knockout finals showdown, and syempre yung champion yun na uuwi ng tumataginting na 200,000 cash.
Grabe ang Ako Bicol, coach, no?
Yes.
200,000.
So definitely the competition is on right now for the Ako Bicol. Everybody wants to win.
Yes, coach, kasi this is the first time na mangyari sa Bicol, and we also thank this opportunity na pasalamatan natin ang Ako Bicol. It's because of this kumbaga big league na to sa atin, coach eh. So as you can see naman yung impact nito sa mga tao, that's why talagang yung effort nila masusuklian ng ganitong pot money.
And right now, I guess we are, because of the same jersey of the both teams, I guess the Team Malinaw right now is turning their jersey around to wear at least white. At as we take a look at the starters, and now for our game at hand right now, this will be a battle of first district. Team Malinaw versus Team Tabaco. Ay naantay na lang natin ang pagpasok ng kanilang first unit. Siyempre, they have to give the final instructions coming from the coaches of both sides.
Yes, coach, kasi the most important thing here, kapag nagsimula na yung pacing.
Oo.
So, kailangan nilang makuha agad yung momentum, at least yung adjustment ng kalaban medyo mahirapan.
And you want to dictate the pace early.
Yes.
In this early going of our ball game. As we take a look at our starting 5 for both teams. And para sa Tabaco, mag-uumpisa dyan Naldosa, Bongon Jr., Balance, Menges, and Borjal in the middle. At para naman sa Team Malinaw, Tiburcio, Calusor, Rodriguez, Lianco, and Punsalan. At ayan na nga po, mga kasurog, mag-uumpisa na ang bakbakang Tabaco versus Malinaw.
This is a very good matchup, coach, kasi yung big man nila in terms of utilizing the strength, pwedeng matatapatan ng both teams ito. So, magandang matchup to.
Team Tabaco right now with a chance to get the first crack of our ball game. Tabaco. Nasa wing si Balance. Balance hitting his first triple of the ball game.
You just imagine, coach, early at this moment, talagang nagpapakawala na sila ng tres. So, probably ito yung makikita nating game kahit mag-end yung laro.
And underneath, a good matchup there. Punsalan kontra kay Borhal. Ito yung laban ng build kontra sa length.
Yes, coach.
Oo.
So, let's see kung ano yung bang mananaig dito sa dalawa.
Balance, attacking. Underneath, kick out. Sa corner, si Bongon. Missing his triple, pero napulot ulit yon ni Balance. Balance with the first 5 points of Tabaco.
Andito na pala coach si Coach Rodriguez, si Badong.
Oo, starting for the team
Team
Malinaw.
Fresh na fresh pa to yung pagkapanalo nila yesterday against Ateneo de Naga University.
And the ball will go to Team Malinaw.
If you can see coach, as early as of now, talagang ang pressure ng Tabaco.
Rodriguez with
That's
the first basket for Team Malinaw.
And that's a very beautiful drive coach,
Good read of the defense is Rodriguez. Pero Bongon, another 3-point shot for the Team Tabaco. 2 of 2 ang
2 of 2 sila ngayon coach eh.
3-point field.
Maybe ito yung game plan nila this afternoon.
Early seal kay Punsalan at nakapulot siya ng foul doon kay Borhal.
Another thing coach, nakikita ko yung denial ng mga bigs ng Tabaco doon kasi previously yung laro ng Malinaw dito talaga sila kumukuha ng score eh. Yung early points nila andyan.
And yun na nga, narinig ka ni Tiburcio, another big guy who can hit from the perimeter.
Yan ang mahirap, nagpaparamdam na yung Tiburcio.
Balance, another shot for Balance. 3 out of 3 sa ating field is Balance, hitting 2 triples and that perimeter shot.
It's a very effective play nila, yung mga outside shooting, yung mga open, creating outside.
Ponsalan underneath. Another good penetration and the drop off to Ponsalan. Pagka nandun na masyadong malalim na si Ponsalan, may hirapan ka na to stop him.
That's what I'm talking about kanina coach. So they have to deny. Kailangan nilang protektahan yung pain nila kasi if not, this will be the reason kung bakit sila makukuha na ng points.
And we are only under 8 minutes sa ating first quarter dito sa laban ng Tabaco versus Malinaw. And Menges right now with the ball to Bongon on the right corner. Back to Naldosa. Naldosa being hounded by Calusor. Ibabalik niya yun kay Borhal pero nasa corner. Balance once again. That's his first miss for Balance. At ayan na, tumatakbo ang Malinaw. Stepping on the gas. Calusor. Wala lang yon.
Nakikita ko. Nakikita ko ulit coach yung play nila last time, no? May nahanap akong isang player na parang wala pa.
That is Blanca, I guess.
Yes. Kaya yung recognition ng big man ngayon parang hindi masyadong nakikita natin. It's because wala yung isang player nila.
And right now, Team Malinaw with a chance to trim down the lead to 1 or even tie the ball game. Lianco with his perimeter shot, wala. Borhal securing that board. And he has this running start pero he was stopped by Rodriguez. Naldosa, 4-3. Can't make it. At ang bola ay mapupunta sa Team Malinaw.
Maganda yung ginagawa coach ng mga big man ng Tabaco kasi aside sa pagiging malalakas, they are using their speed. Kasi yun ang magiging advantage nila sa ibang mga big man ng Malinaw. Even the transition coach, you can see
They are running.
Crashing the board. So talagang maganda yung game plan niya ni coach.
Menges was fouled there by Tiburcio. And we have an early timeout here. Tabaco calling for time. Right now, coach, what is the good things na ginagawa ng Tabaco and nagli-lead sila ngayon with only 3 points?
Before kasi coach, I think sabi ko pwedeng mangunguna sa momentum yung pacing ng Malinaw. But as I can see today, nakikita ko yung bigs nila, they are working hard. Talagang they are crushing the board, they are protecting the rim, and also they can shoot outside. So yun ang medyo mahirap kasi yung mga bigs ng Malinaw, mahihirapan talaga sila to defend outside and pwedeng mag-create yan ng open space sa loob na pwedeng makadrive yung mga guards nila.
Yeah, definitely because yung mga guards naman ng Team Tabaco can penetrate inside. So, pagka may mga stretch 4 ka or mga stretch 5 sa player mo, talaga madadrag yung mga big guys mo to defend from the 3-point line.
Yan ba coach yung mga ginagawa ng mga NBA player, yung
Yes.
teams, di ba?
Oo.
Lalo na kung may mga bigs kang can shoot outside.
And right now, ang bola ay nasa Tabaco with 14 on their shot clock. Pero na-steal yan ni Calusor and Tiburcio running down the floor. Pero wala yon at mababalik kila Bongo. Naldosa with a stop and pop. 3, short yun.
Grabe yung sipag ng Minguez, coach. No.
He picked another foul there. Pero kay Punsala naman yon with again, the story of this team Malinaw is the foul trouble of their big guys with Tiburcio and Punsalan having one apiece.
Yes, coach. You have to be careful. Most especially ngayong medyo makukulit yung bigs nila nakalaban. So, if hindi nila yan ma-limit possible, mahirapan sila.
Rodriguez to Calusor. Calusor, sinigurado na yun. Only a 1-point ball game with approaching to the 6-minute mark of our first quarter. Aldosa. Kick out. Bongon sa right corner.
That's the problem, coach, di ba? As I said a while ago, pag tumitira yung bigs natin outside, medyo mahirapan yung closeout.
In terms of length right now, the lineup of Team Tabaco with Borjal, Bongon, and Menges is very long.
Yes, coach. And very young.
Gustong sumagot doon ni Calusor pero hindi niya yan naman si Balance. Bongon hesitates, attacking and fading away and making the basket. May kasama pang foul.
Ang ganda ng moves na yun, coach, no? Napapansin ko yung transition, coach, ng Tabaco. Hindi nila pinipilit, coach, eh. More on outside shooting sila. Yung spacing, yung passing, the ability to take the shot. Ang ganda. That's why nakakreate sila ng ganyang kagandang possession.
Yan yung nakikita natin. But we have a new faces here in our hard court. Kunanan checking in and Blanca. Nasa loob na ngayon.
Yan ha, yung iniintay natin.
Para sa Team Malinaw to, I guess, to give some space and to give some range para sa kanilang koponan. And another guy, yung idol mo, Tabuso, checking in.
Yes. Ito yung one
The
of the
ageless one.
fan favorite dito sa Ako Bicol Cup.
The ageless one, Tabuso, is on the court right now. Punsalan asking for the ball, asking for a wide and a block there by Kunanan. Good fake. Pero hindi niya na-convert. And another guy is in the court right now is King. Blanca.
Wala pa rin. Medyo malamig pa.
Tabuso right now. Running. Tabuso to Kunanan. Kunanan lumipad at nakuha niya yung basket na yon.
That's the advantage of having the leaping ability, coach. He can also control the ball sa taas eh.
Punsalan testing the defense of King pero hindi na yan ininda ni Punsalan. Minama niya doon si King.
Grabe. Pinaparamdam ko sa'yo yung lakas ko, King.
Tabuso with a short stab. Cannot get the bounce. At ayan na naman si Calusor lilipad, stretching for that layup.
Kung makikita mo, coach, yung transition ng both teams, no? More on sila drive, yung isa naman shooting.
So we are definitely seeing a variety of play.
Yes.
Nanatili ang bola with 10 on the shot clock. Kunanan. King with a fake. Pero hindi niya may papasok yung tirang yon. And a bad pass for Rodriguez as they turn it over. At ipapahinga muna ng Tabaco si Chris Menges. At ibabalik si Borjal.
Grabe. Laking tao to, coach, no? Just imagine kung ilang height nito.
Kunanan with his jumper. Lista na yan para kay
na yan.
Kunanan.
Grabe ang batang to. He can play outside and inside. He can defend kahit yung mga bigs. It's because of the leaping ability. Yung punsalan, coach, pinapakitaan tayo ng mga gandang post move, no?
Kung nga lang, hindi niya na-convert in that last sequence.
Oh, what a beautiful move from Kunanan!
Kunanan with another layup there with an oohs and ahs from our crowd. Pero Rodriguez aatake. Rodriguez. Veteran
Yes,
move.
binawi agad ni Rodriguez. Yung simple attack, pero
Oo.
nandun yung gulang.
Walang fancy, no?
Yes, that's very effective sa lahat ng mga veterans.
King kontra kay Tiburcio. Menges. Ay, that's Borjal. Blanca. Ang gandang pihit.
Ganda naman ng spin move, coach!
Hindi lang yan. Mabuti na lang. Andun si Tiburcio to clean up the mess.
Yes, that's the good thing of having a big man na tumatakbo rin eh. Getting the rebound.
Nanan with the pick for Borjal. On top is King with his jumper.
Basket na yan. Nilista na yan, sabi ni King. Kasi ako ay additional member na ng Bicol Spicy.
And the proud coach of, and the proud owner of Bicol Spicy Oragon, Coach Monel Calios is right there with them. And sinusuportahan yung kanyang mga players. And nakikita nga natin on our screen. And again, you can watch us live sa aming mga Facebook pages. Ako, Bicol Online TV. Ako, Bicol Party List. And kay Representative Saldico page para sa ating live coverage. We are 2 minutes and 17 seconds here in our first quarter. Nakita natin si Lolo na namamangha siya sa mga nangyayari right now. He is enjoying the action here in our Ako Bicol Cup. Again, this is only our second game for the 5 games for the Sunday special of Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Sabi ni Lolo, agahan ko na kasi baka mamaya
Okay,
wala
wala.
na akong upuan.
Wala ka nang mauupuan talaga. They are all, and we are all waiting for that Albay Clasico matchup.
Yes.
The Daraga Legazpi matchup. We are all excited. And mamaya pala, I guess I need to confirm muna to. Pero mamaya meron pang mini program for the Daraga Albay, the munisipyo ng Daraga. Magkakaroon ata sila ng lighting ceremony.
Yes, coach,
Oo.
kasi nakita ko yung post ni Mayor. Today rin yung opening and lightning ng mga lights nila. So, ayan na naman yung transition from the Malinaw. Rodriguez. Ang ganda ng fake!
At natawagan doon ng foul.
Si Borjal.
We are under 2 minutes to go sa ating first quarter. So, sobrang excitement to. Gusto ko na maging fourth to, ha? Pero we definitely are seeing an action right here sa ating ball game.
Yung intense ng larong ng dalawang team na to, talagang they want to move in the second round. So, probably, either the two, kung sino yung may iwan.
Alam mo dito sa Ako Bicol Cup, Coach Reynel, kasi nakakasama ko lang kayo ng Sunday, pero ako,
Yes.
alos, kasama ko lahat ng teams every game day. Every game is very important. Every game, merong lumalabas na panibagong player na sisikat.
Yes, coach, kasi alam mo, yung mga homegrown player,
Oo.
and this is the good thing of having this kind of league, kasi may mga players tayong nai-expose na doon lang sa barangay nila nakikilala, sa munisipyo lang nila. But today, just imagine, napapanood na sila, coach, sa TV.
Yes, yun din talaga yung objective ng Ako Bicol. But Kunanan missing his 3-point attempt. At Calusor sa kabilang dako, stepping on the gas, fading away. Pero may another foul there called on Belangel, and I guess that is the third personal foul on Belangel. At papasok ulit si Minguez.
He is complaining of the defense, yung lateral defense niya, tama naman daw, but Syempre, we have to respect the call of the referee. There is something na nakita siya.
And Minguez checks back in for
Yung gitgitan talaga ng big man sa loob.
at na-open si Rodriguez. Rodriguez with another shot, with another miss.
Ang ganda naman! Ano yung tawag ng referee? I think that is basket, coach, no?
Okay, the basket will count. And Cunanan will troop to the line for his bonus shot.
Parang linalagay na lang, coach, sa ring yung Kunana na to, no? The way he penetrate the basket, the way he drive, parang ang dali-dali na lang sa kanya.
And we are under a minute to go here in our first quarter of action. Seriola, ipapasok na ng Team Malinaw.
Kunana nun, his last bonus throw.
Blanca stepping on the gas. Ay, good interception there for Balance, forcing the turnover on Team Malinaw at babalik sa kanila ang bola with 51.50 seconds left sa ating first quarter. Tabuso, corner, Balance, babalik niya kay Minguez. Borjal, backdoor cut! Ang ganda ng backdoor cut.
Napaka-perfect naman nung pasa. And also the cut ng isang player. Kung wala kayong chemistry, you cannot do that
Yung anticipation
Yes. Sometimes you have to read the motion and the eyes of your teammate.
Rodriguez. Mababalik sa kanilang bola. Punsalan, inararo doon si Minguez. And right now, Team Malinaw only trailing by 6 points. With under 15 seconds on our game clock. Borjal napulot ang rebound. At andyan pa rin sa kanilang bola. Cunanan slicing through. At another foul on Tiburcio. And that is a bad sign for the Team Malinaw. That's the third personal foul on Tiburcio. Again, the story of foul trouble ng mga big man ng Malinaw, coach.
So last time, coach, ito rin yung nahawakan kong game So ito yung naging problem nila. But again, since this is a veteran player, this is a professional player na din na naglaro na ito outside, alam niya kung paano niya i-handle on the second quarter, third, and fourth. Kasi he really know na pag fourth quarter, kailangan na kailangan siya dito sa game na to.
And again, this will be a big factor sa ating ball game right now because definitely they will rest Tiburcio off the bench.
Kailangan, coach, kasi medyo mautak yung coach dito sa Tabaco. So, kung ano yung magiging weakness ng team na to, kukunin nila yan.
And another turnover there for the Team Malinaw with 2.8 seconds sa ating first quarter. And the last possession will go to Tabaco. Nabitawan yun ni Tabuso. And at the end of our first quarter of action, ang score natin is 30-22 with Tabaco enjoying an 8-point lead. Magbabalik po kami. Ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya, o kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asim iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanang Bicol, itabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito ka na ko Bicol Party List. Asimkan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
We're back on the second quarter of the ball game.
And right now with Team Tabaco, an 8-point lead kontra dito sa Team Malinaw. Rodriguez zigzagging, pero nandun si Bobis. Menges looking for Borjal. Sa left wing, Conanan. Tabuso with a shot. And he makes it.
Nagpaparamdam na yung idol ko.
And he makes it. He forced a turnover there for the Team Malinaw with that steal. Conanan. Conanan. Ang ganda yung inside passing nila, no?
Yes, yung mga drop pass nila, coach. Hindi lang talaga na-convert, no?
Very unselfish in that last sequence is Tabaco. The length of a guy like Borjal, talagang iibahin mo yung tira mo eh. May hirapan ka. Those are force and tough shot on the part of Team Malinaw. Borjal.
Tsaka malapa din tong Borjal na to, coach, no?
And Balance, after hitting those 2 triples early in the early part of our first quarter, tatlong sunod naman yung namintis niya. Bugsalan, strip.
Nakikita mo, coach, yung tabusan, no?
The hustle.
Hello, I'm 42 years old. I still can fight inside the ring.
The
Grabe.
ageless one.
Kung
And
hindi mag-ako Bicol, coach, hindi mo ito makikilala.
traveling daw na naitawag kay Punsalan.
Kahit siguro paglaruin mo to sa junior division, coach, sa barangay.
Kayang-kaya pa, no?
Oo.
With his touch sa 3 points, tapos yung hustle niya pa.
Hassel.
Baka nga ako, di ako tumagal sa kanya eh. And Cunanan right now, kontra kay Blanca. Good matchup, Cunanan versus Blanca.
May expect naman, coach, yan talaga magiging matchup ng dalawa eh.
And Borjal, yung mga big guys talaga ng Tabaco, they are comfortably shooting from the distance.
Yes, coach. Ano, kaya talagang medyo mahihirapan din yung Punsalan mag-defend kasi hindi mo alam kung na-drive ba sa loob, magpo-post up.
Blanca,
Wala pa, malamig pa, coach, yung Blanca natin.
he came off the bench. And right now, Tabuso with the basketball with under 8 minutes sa ating second quarter. Tabuso,
Lailo muna tayo kasi we have...
Borjal. Andyan na naman si Tabuso, nasa kanya na naman yung bola. At ayan na naman ang mga taga-Tabaco. Ang haba.
That's a good foul, coach. That's a good foul. That's to stop the transition, yung easy basket, that's a good foul.
And not giving that end one opportunity.
Yes,
no?
coach.
And Miguez, papalitan ni King. And Bongon will check in for Borjal. As Bobis will head to the line to shoot 2 free throws. And right now, slowly, umaalagwa na, coach, dito ang Team Tabaco with an 11-point deficit kontra din sa Team Malinaw.
Actually, coach, ang pinaglalabanan talaga dito is yung defense. Kasi as I can see, today, nakikita ko yung the same na ginagawa previous na game ng Malinaw na yung transition nila, they taking advantage of transition. But now, ang ginagawa ng Tabaco is to stop their early transition. That's why hindi sila nakaka-create basta-basta.
And right now, puntahan muna natin ang ating courtside reporter at may dala siya sa ating ulat, Carmela Hernandez.
According to Coach Roden Duran of Team Malinaw, this game will not be easy for them kasi may mga advantages daw ang kanilang opponent, which is the Team Tabaco na wala sa kanila, especially the heights of the players. And he said that they are doing their 100% for them to improve their fast break play at sa ganun magkahabol sila sa kalamangan ng Team Tabaco. Balik sa inyo, Coach Ray at Coach Kyle.
Thank you very much, Carmela Hernandez. And right now, Coach, yun nga, sinabi din naman ng coach nila, they have to do 100% effort para manalo nga dito sa tall Tabaco team.
Yes, coach. Kasi kung hindi nila to bibigay nung 100% nila, mahihirapan. This is a difficult game sa kanila and they have to adjust kasi nakikita ko yung defense sa ginagawa ng Tabaco, yung athleticism ng mga guards and the bigs, talagang very effective sa loob.
And manatili ang bola sa mga taga-Tabaco. And I guess we have another foul call there on Seriola. And with the first district standing right now, Bakakay, Malinaw and Tabaco with 1-1 apiece.
Yes.
So they have to secure this win to at least open their hoops up to advance to the next round. Blanca. And another foul there. Medyo yung nagkakasabitan, nagbubunong braso.
The good thing of having this kind of player na Bobby's coach, talagang pinapatunayan niya na kung gaano kayo ka-effort ngayong laro, tatapatan ko kayo.
Yon. And right now, Bobby's with a chance to trim down the lead to at least 9 points. He misses though on his first. And right now, magkakaroon pala tayo ng Christmas lighting ceremony dito sa ating Daraga covered court. There will be a short program, so medyo madidelay lang ang aming fourth game. So, dyan lang kayo, magantay lang kayo. So, pwede niyo bisitahin dito sa Daraga covered court so that you can watch live that short program with the mayor and vice mayor of Daraga Albay, the official, ang tawag doon, the official lighting of street lights. Kasi merong mga street lights dito na naka-ready for the Christmas, and may mga banda din na tutugtog for a short program nga dito papunta sa Daraga covered court. And yan ang mga abangan natin mamaya.
Yes. Yan ang mga talagang mga active na mayors natin kasi
Umaarangkada.
yes, kailangan niya talagang pagandahin yung lugar eh. And of course, coach, another din to sa mga tourist spot na pupuntahan. Kasi at least, though hindi pa totally natatapos yung pandemic natin, this is a good sign sa atin na at least ma-enjoy ng family and yung Christmas.
And kahapon, yung laro namin ko doon sa Ligaw, we have a foreign friends galing sa Australia na nanonood live sa Ligaw City Gymnasium.
Dinapalaban ka pala niyan, coach, sa mga...
Ay, hindi ako. Si Carmela yung napalaban doon doing the interview for those guys. Pero definitely kung ako naman nakipag-usap, hindi ko na may papaya yung sarili ko doon eh.
Eh, syempre naman, coach. Alam naman natin, pag sinabi mong coach ka, talagang kahit dubudugo na yan, papatulang ka niyan. Pero syempre, ibang coach kayo natin.
And right now, with 6 minutes and 4 seconds on our first half, Team Malinaw trailing by 13 points. And slowly, Coach, lumalaki na tong kalamangan. And bakit ganon?
The reason why kung bakit ito yung nangyayari sa kanila, it's because nai-stop yung early offense ng Malinaw. Still, consistent sila, wala silang adjustment. I think kailangan nilang baguhin yung sistema. Sabi nga, eto yung sistema natin, pero kung kailangan baguhin, babaguhin natin for this game para lang manalo. That's the kind of, yung mga coaches na mga mentality na, do not stick on your system kung hindi natin kaya, at least adjust tayo.
Yun. And right now, Bobby securing that board. And Rodriguez looking to get back to this game. He is asking for a pick kay Bobby's, pero he decided to attack Blanca. A little two-man game there. And Kunanan again with that leaping ability.
Sabi ni Kunanan, do not pass na ganun yan kasi
Better off magpasa ka na lang ng bounce pass kesa maglalampas ka, aabutin talaga niya eh. And another foul there for Blanca, and that is second personal foul. Again, the foul trouble story of Team Malinaw is slowly killing them.
yes, coach. So talagang kailangan nilang malimit, kailangan nilang they have to be ganda ng mga drop pass.
And King not converting
Tingnan
that.
mo, kita mo, coach, no, yung transition talaga nila pinapatunayan kasi yun ang effective, yun yung key na kung bakit the reason why kung bakit nanalo sila. But now, syempre kailangan pag-aralan niya ng Team Tabaco. Kailangan natin itong i-stop, and if we can stop today, we will win.
Mhm. At yan na nga ang susubukan ng Team Malinaw. At sinagasaan doon ni Seriola si Cunanan. A good acting job there from Cunanan, selling it to our referee. Yung mga ganong bagay, pagka sinamahan mo talaga ng good acting job, tapos yung talaga merong contact muna before you fall down, talagang bibigyan niya ng offensive foul.
Tsaka yung coach, pinag-aaralan din yan.
Oo naman.
Hindi ka lang basta yan tutupa.
Sila Kyle Lowry magagaling sa mga ganyan. Cunanan with a cross. Wow!
Grabe naman!
With a dipsy-do layup is Cunanan. Another oohs and ohs from the crowd. And again,
Maganda siguro, coach, kung after ng week nito, merong mga pinapanood na top 10 plays. Di ba? So hopefully, dapat meron tayong ganyan kasi...
I'll try it next time.
Oo. Kung iboboto ko na to yung number 1 ano niya eh.
Marami
1 and 2 kanina.
Marami ng...
Oo, yung double clutch siya kanina, yung dipsy-do.
Baka 100 plays na nga eh. Top 100 plays na eh. Rodriguez underneath. Good find kay Bobis doon with that short pass. And Bobis hindi naman binigo. Si Rodriguez with that pass. And we are under 5 minutes sa ating first half. Belangel. Cunanan kontra kay Blanca. Cunanan with a little hesi. Cunanan decided to pull it up pero wala. At ang bola ay mananatili sa mga taga-Tabaco. And right now, the fouls of Team Malinaw is killing them. With another free throw opportunity for the Team Tabaco with Balangel is on the line to shoot his 2 throws.
And right now, Coach Tabaco enjoying their 13-point lead in this quarter. So, what kind of adjustment kaya ang gagawin ng Team Malinaw? And do you think magiging consistent pa tong Tabacong to? So, let's see. Pwedeng malaking adjustment. So, meron pang 2 remaining quarters. Kailangan lang baguhin. Kailangan lang mag-adjust. Kailangan lang i-convert lahat. Everything happens in the court. Kailangan dapat maganda.
And we have a foul there on the 3-point attempt.
Yung consistency ng leaping ability nung Cunanan, hindi nagbabago, Coach.
And right now, Calusor will troop to the line for his 3 free throws. Definitely not good move sa part ni Cunanan, fouling a 3-point shooter.
Kumbaga, Coach, binigyan mo ng libre na lang tong tira eh.
But that in his first shot, he misses it though. Pero meron pa siyang dalawa at siniguro niya na ang pangalawa. Only a 12-point lead for the Team Tabaco. Right now, nakikita mo na ba yung proper adjustment on the part of the defense of Team Malinaw?
Ay, nakikita ko na rin, Coach, yung adjustment nila. Kaso lang, may nakikita kong frustration na nangyayari sila. It's because of, yun nga, may mga tinatawag na calls ng referee, pero kailangan nilang mag-focus dyan eh.
And meron nga tayong sinasabi doon minsan na you have to adjust to the calls of the referee.
Yes. And you have to focus sa laro. Kasi kung hindi,
Good fake.
hindi pa natin nararamdaman yung Blanca sa labas, Coach.
The hot shooting. Leo Copper Blanca. And we guess we'll check in back to our ball game, replacing si King. Again, the newly added member of Bicol Spicy Oragon that will play for the Pilipinas Super League. Kasama niya dyan ngayon si Coach Monel Calios.
Nandyan talaga yung suporta ng coach, no? Talagang kukunin kita dadalhin kita sa Manila. Kayo yung proud ng Bicol.
And that's only possible if not because of this Ako Bicol Cup.
Yes, coach. Yun nga sinasabi ko sa'yo kanina, yung exposure. Kung wala to, hindi mo naman makikilala yung mga homegrown players natin eh.
And Calasor was called for a foul there. Sabi ng referee, hindi yun dahil sa dun sa strip at merong push.
Yes.
I guess that was a good call on the part of our referee. Kasi meron naman talagang tulak using your body. That's outside of your cylinder.
Yes, kasi yung moving niya, yung lateral niya, syempre minsan di naman yun nakokontrol ng mga player coach eh.
Rodriguez, konting bangga, using his body there.
They're taking the advantage na medyo yung line-up ng Tabaco hindi masyadong kataasan. Yung strength, utilizing the strength. Ayan na naman yung sinasabi ko, coach.
And Calasor with a breakaway. Layup right now and Team Tabaco calling for a ceasefire because naibaba na ng Team Malinaw ang kalamangan to only a 7-point lead. Right now, coach, the transition offense of Team Malinaw is clicking.
Yes, coach. Nakikita na natin. So, nandun na rin yung fatigue factor ng Tabaco kasi from the moment na nag-start yung game na to, nandun na yung focus nila. So, dapat they have to be consistent sa depensa until fourth quarter. If not, yung transition ng Malinaw from first to fourth, makikita at makikita natin yan. The problem is kung titira na naman yung mga tao nila sa labas. And that's really a good adjustment naman sa part ng Tabaco. So far, maganda yung pinapakita without the bigs. Even though yung mga bigs nila ay mga foul trouble na, still, yung effectivity ng mga guards, gamit na gamit. As you can see, coach, naka-small lineup to eh.
Oo.
Diba?
Wala si Ponsalan and si Tiburcio.
Tiburcio.
The man in the middle for the Team Malinaw right now is only Bobbies.
Yes. Nakikipatayan talaga to sa mga bigs ng Tabaco eh.
And Tambuso now with the ball to Menges. That slide of Menges. Another turnover there for the Team Tabaco. And Bobbies now is running.
Nandun yung frustration ng
Oo.
bata.
Panira niya na sana yun eh. But he opted to pass it. And fortunately, na-turn yung bola. And another foul under the penalty na ang both teams. So, again, balance with 2 free throws. 2 minutes and 50 seconds sa ating first half.
Yes, coach. Actually, madami pang mangyayari dito. Madami pa tayong aabangan. So, kailangan lang talagang makontrol ng mga bigs yung pagiging foul trouble nila. If not, ito yung magiging mahirap. Kasi as you can see, coach, itong Tabaco, they really put their good defense in this game. And mapapansin mo, wala pa ata dito mga foul trouble ng bigs eh.
And they are rotating the big guys very well dito sa part ng Team Tabaco.
Iba yung coach model,
Yung
coach.
substitution nila.
Oo.
They want to keep their big guys fresh legs. And Rodriguez now with the ball.
I think we have a visitor coach, no?
Rodriguez directing traffic for the Team Malinaw. Calusor sa right corner, Mintes yun. At Tambuso with another board. At tumatakbo na. But the pass was intercepted or deflected out of bounds. Mananatili ang bola sa mga naka-yellow, pero pareha sila naka-yellow eh.
Sabi nga ni Coach Randy, ito yung mga favorite, mga candy daw, Coach. Yung mga sinasabi to sa
Oo.
Christmas tree.
Minguez missing in that one. Blanca with a breakaway layup. And right now, we are approaching to the 2-minute mark of our first half. Tabuso kontra kay Rodriguez. Nandun si Naldosa sa corner, pero mintis yun. And a traveling violation is called here.
Ipapasa na sana. Kaso nakita niya, pwedeng ma-anticipate. So, I rather step na lang and call violation.
And right now, Tobacco with a chance to trim down the lead to 4 or 3. Minguez with a layup.
Makikita mo yung athleticism ng Minguez, coach, no? Pag binigyan mo ng konting espasyo, titirahan ka. Pag linapitan mo naman, going to use yung ability niya sa dribbling.
And Rodriguez fishing some fouls there in that last sequence. And he will troop to the line for 2 shots with 1 minute and 35 seconds here in our first half. Again, napapanood nyo po kami live sa ating mga Facebook pages. Ako Bicol Online TV, ako Bicol Portalist, at sa page ni Representative Saldico. Ako pa rin ang kasama ninyo, Coach Kyle Marilla, together with Coach Reynel Manlangit. At syempre sa ating courtside, nandyan din si Carmela Hernandez.
Mamimili na lang sila, coach, kung anong page, no?
Oo.
At better kung i-click nila parehas yung tatlo.
Oh, share mo na din. Huwag niyo
Oo.
makakalimutan i-share. And don't forget to share my page. Coach
Yes.
Kyle, Facebook page. Makita nyo yung some of the
Congratulations
highlights.
pala, coach,
Oo.
no? Kasi umabot na ng 5,000 followers, no?
For almost 2 years.
Yes, ganun talaga. Siguro bago matapos yung liga to, pwedeng ma-double yun na. Mga 10,000
Hopefully.
viewers.
And Aldosa to Minguez. Kontra kay Calusor. Minguez, he decided to take the shot. Pero wala. Rodriguez with another board. Calusor is attacking and stretching for the layup.
Lumilipad yung Calusor.
Mintis ang medyo umaalat sa 3-point area ng
Yes.
Team Tobacco. And another attack. Calusor with another shot made courtesy of Calusor.
It's 2 of 2 from Calusor.
At ayan na, tumatakbo na naman si Calusor. Inaatake ang depensa ng Team Tobacco. And right now, Calusor with 3 consecutive layup. Yung last 6 points ng Team Malinaw is coming from one man, which is Calusor.
Yes, coach. Taking the advantage na hindi na yung advantage nila sa mini run nila, ang ganda.
And right now, don't look right now. It's only a 2-point ball game. 1 possession ball game with 34.6. Malay mo, makakuha pa, masungkit pa ng Team Malinaw ang kalamangan dito with this next possession for their own.
Makikita mo na yung presence ng mga guards dito, coach. And it's very effective ngayon sa ginagawa nila.
At hindi natin maramdaman yung foul trouble story, di ba?
Yes, coach. Ito ang kinagandahan. So, talagang naka-adjust sila in the second quarter.
And I guess that is because the Team Tobacco is settling for outside shot kesa atakihin yung basket without Punsalan and Tiburcio inside.
Yes, coach. Kasi kaya naman talaga nila eh. So, that's why they utilize their guards.
Good coverage there for the interior defense of Tobacco, and Naldosa Tabuso with a 3. Mintis yun. And with 7.4 sa ating first half, meron pang last possession dito ang Team Malinaw. Let's see if they can tie or even grab the lead back to their side dito sa last possession na to.
Parang gusto
Rodriguez.
talaga nilang kunin.
Good pass! Namintis lang! Namintis lang!
Hiram sa excited na coach. No?
So at the end of our first half of action, 46-44, only a 2-point ball game in favor of Tobacco. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating halftime analysis dito lang po sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Ito ay atin.
mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya, o kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol, Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List, asin kan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Natiuran ako sa imo! Aram mo may akong anak kitag-relasyon ka!
Aram ko lang kay Vicky, humanda ka Vicky sako. Tababang no katudurugin kita.
Lahat po ng sinabi nila, walang katotohanan.
Wala naman sila doon nang pumupunta sa bahay namin. Ang magulang niya.
Kung sa maskara, wala bitis yung napangitan na sa amon. Mga sabiyo na sana.
Kung di sana nagadan sa akin, wala man ako sa iya magad sa pinto.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
And we are live sa ating live coverage ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And kanina nga nakita natin ang bakbakan ng first district matchup, Team Tabaco versus Team Malinaw. And right now, Team Tabaco with a 2-point lead kontra dito sa Team Malinaw. Coach Kyle Marilla pa rin po nakakasama ninyo together with Coach Reynel. Coach Reynel, what happened there during our first half?
Very effective yung ang ginagawa ng mga nag-small lineup coach yung Malinaw, and it very effective na ginawa nila before the end of the quarter, yung second quarter. That's why nagkaroon ng ganitong adjustment. Maganda yung ginawa nila. If they are going to consistent sa larong ito, possible na makuha nilang panalong to.
And kanina nga nakuha na ng Team Tabaco the biggest lead of our ball game with 11 points. Pero ngayon naibaba yun in that late run ng Team Malinaw doon sa ating second quarter and trimming down the lead to only 1 possession lead. And sino ang mga scoring leaders natin so far,
Okay, Coach, pasadahan mo natin yung scoring leaders ng Team Malinaw with Kalunsor, 11 points, Punsalan, 7, Rodriguez with 7 points. Also in Tabaco, Kunanan with 10 points, Bungon 10 points, and Balance with 9 points.
At yan na nga ang aabangan natin for this third quarter of action. Definitely, we are seeing an action-packed ball game right now with only 2-point differential sa ating pagtatapos ng first half. So again, magbabalik po kami para sa ating third quarter of action ng labanang Team Tabaco versus Team Malinaw. Ito po ang inyong Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
Ito ay
mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya, o kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol, Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List, asin kan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldico. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Nag-oran ako sa imo! Ara mo may akong anak kitag-relasyon ka!
Aram ko lang kay Vicky, humanda ka Vicky sako. Tababang no katudurugin kita.
Lahat po ng sinabi nila, walang katotohanan.
Wala naman sila doon nang pumupunta sa bahay namin ang magulang niya.
Kung dili sa maskaran, wala petisyon din. Ang pangitan na sa amon, mga sabiyo na sana.
Kung di sana nagadag sa akin, wala man ako sa iyo magad sa pinto.
And we are back dito pa rin po sa loob ng Daraga Covered Court sa bayang umaarangkada ng Daraga Albay for our third quarter of action ng labanang Team Tabaco versus Team Malinao. And again, this is Coach Kyle Marillas and kasama si Coach Reynal at sa sideline kasama din naman natin si Carmela Hernandez at mamaya mapapakinggan ulit natin siya para sa kanya mga report. Coach, what does this Team Tabaco needs to do para hindi sila maungasan nitong Team Malinao?
Of course, Coach, kailangan nilang mag-adjust totally. Ang adjustment nila from offense to their defense. Kasi yung offense nandun na. Yung defense, how are they going to stop the guards of the Malinao? And as you can see, Coach, ang ginamit ulit ngayon ng first five ng Malinao ay nag-small ball sila, although merong isang malaki lang. So, they utilize the guards.
And Blanca, a short doon sa kanyang 3-point attempt. And Kunanan, Belangel on that left wing. Wala doon. And Blanca, andyan na naman si Calusor. And sa kabilang dako, Seriola.
Seriola. Yung best player natin last time.
And right now, talagang inaatake ng fast break opportunities etong Team Tabaco. Bongon for the 3.
Deadly shooter talaga tong Bongon, even nung college pa to eh.
I am trying to remember kung saan ko siya huling nakita.
Former ACC player.
Yun, oo nga. Kasabay ba siya nila Tikboy del Rosario?
Yes, pero nung nag-graduate na kina Coach Tikboy, parang naiwan pa to.
Okay.
Mga 2 years or 1 year na lang,
So,
Coach.
he was the junior of the Tikboy players. Sila Rodriguez, siguro kasama sila Blanca.
Yes, si Blanca, Coach.
Oo.
Yan yung mga former teammates niya eh.
And a good strip there. Kunanan tinapon, pero sa kanya pa yung bola doon. And Belangel with another shot. And nasa labas pa si Kunanan. Nagulat siya, napunta ulit sa kanya yung bola eh.
Yung effortless rebound na tinatawag yun, Coach. No?
Sa'yo na sana yun, kaso nasa labas siya ng ating court. And this is only a 1-point ball game. Isa na lang ang hinahabol ng mga taga-team Malinao. Rodriguez kontra kay Belangel. Rodriguez attacking. He pulls back. And konting bangga. Pero at merong foul na naitawag doon. That was a good defense on the part of Tabaco, pero nag-collapse lang sila.
Yes, Coach.
That last second.
Maganda kasi yung ginagawa nung Calunsor, Coach eh. Kasi kung wala naman sa kanya yung bola, he wants to get the ball talaga. Kailangan niyang, kung gusto niya ng karoon ng footback play, pwede.
Blanca for the fadeaway 3.
That's what I'm talking about, Coach, kanina. Kung hindi pa yung nagparamdam ng first half, magpaparamdam yan ngayon ng second half.
Bongon, binawi naman sa kabilang corner. Sagutan ngayon ng 3 points dito. Pero Rodriguez aatake. Rodriguez ipipihit. At andon si Seriola, pero hindi nila nakuha yung basket na yun. And 3-on-1 fast break. Menges, dire-diretso. May kasama pang foul.
Grabe. Ginamit coach
Yung haba niya, no? And
Tapos yung reach ng kamay, grabe.
he challenges the defense of Blanca. Pero, yun nga, because of the length that over the stretch arm of Menguez going to that rim, nakasabit pa doon si Blanca.
Tsaka yung experience coach. Yung pagiging experience mo sa labas.
Yeah, a very decorated player is Christopher Menguez. And ang ganda ng personality nito, coach. Nakasama ko to during my PSL days.
Yes.
I have quite time for them to dinner sa kanila with the PSL boys na nung Bicol Spicy Urago.
Coach, nakita ko nga to.
Bakit Punsalan? Sabi ni Punsalan, anong PSL? Dito, kahit dito lang ako, I can attack the paint. Good drop-off pass once again. Akala ko lalabas pa yun eh. And right now, Boncoden is inside the court at traveling yun. Good call.
Tawagan lang ng travel. Sayang yung transition offense sana.
Good call on the part of our referees. With under 7 minutes to go sa ating third quarter of action.
Maganda yung ginagawa coach ng Tobacco. Every time na pinapasok yung...
Andun yung proud parents ni John Paul Boral.
hello
Nanonood sa
po,
atin
Hami.
live.
Hello po.
Nanonood sa atin live. Shoutout ko na rin John Paul Boral ng Perpetual Health System Altas.
Galingan mo lang doon, JP, kasi ikaw yung magiging next proud ng Ligaspi.
And Tabuso. And ayan, tumatakbo Boncoden. Boncoden challenging the defense. Dalawa yung kalaban niya doon, pero doesn't matter.
Yes, hiningi na sana ni Punsalan. Kaya ko to!
Balance to Kunnanan on the left wing. Kunnanan, another 3-point shot for the Team Tobacco. And right now, yung 3-point game ng Team Tobacco is picking up here early sa ating third quarter.
They're taking the advantage na nag-switch ng defense yung Malinaw eh. Nagkaroon lang sila ng ngayon ng zone defense eh. A while ago, nagmaman-to-man sila.
Boncoden with a fake, with a drop. Tatlo yung sumalubong sa kanya doon.
Dumilim yung paningin ata nun sa ilalim.
Mahaba yung kamay. And Bobis will check back in. Papalitan niya muna si Seriola.
Maganda yung nilalaro ng Bobis na to eh.
Yung kanina, yung late run nila second quarter.
Yes,
that
more
is
sa
all
kanya.
because of him.
Oh.
Ponsalan with a frustration by missing his layup there. Menguez. Good pass. Balance.
That's a good pass, coach, from Minguez.
And that's a bad foul on the part of Boncoden. He fouled late and he allowed that end one opportunity for the Team Tobacco. And right now, Team Tobacco with an 8-point lead here sa ating ball game with 5 minutes and 45 seconds sa ating third quarter of action. Again, ito pala po ang ating second game of the 5-game special, Sunday special of your Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Right now, Coach, ano yung magandang ginawa ng Tobacco and yung naging reason on why nandito ulit sila umuupo sa 8-point advantage?
The moment kasi, coach, na pinapasok si Punsalan, yung advantage nila to run, doon nila kinukuha. Kapag nag-small lineup naman tong Malinaw, coach, medyo nakakadikit sila, nakakasabay sila. So I think mas maganda kung gamitin nila yung mga bata nilang bigs. Kasi yung mga batang bigs nila, they can run, they can stop the offense. So probably pwedeng dumikit or lumamang pa sila dito.
Yan nga, ang susubukan gawin ng Team Tobacco is to maintain this lead going into the fourth.
And as I can see, coach, parang we have a visitors from Naga City, yung mga SBP natin, yung mga idol natin. Ito si Sir Eman. Tsaka yung kapatid niya, tapos yung isa.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat dyan.
Parang tatakbo sila, coach, mamaya, no?
Oo, siguro. And Balance
They are invited.
with his bonus free throw. At hindi niya nadagdagan ang kanilang kalamangan. At andito na. Rodriguez kontra kay Balance. Rodriguez is attacking.
That's a good defense from Minguez.
Baseline inbound with 7 seconds on their shot clock. Bobis with a shot and he makes it.
Maganda talaga yung laro nung Bobis ngayon eh. Yun, nagpalit ulit sila ng defense coach from zone to man-to-man defense.
Minguez attacking and losing the basketball. Now Rodriguez stepping on the gas. Rodriguez nagmamadali. And he makes sure of that basket. And right now, they trim down the lead to only 4 points. At ayan na naman, tumatakbo na naman ang mga taga-Malinaw.
From good defense to offense. That's a good fake.
Pero mukhang pwede na sigurong itira yon ni Bobis doon. But he opted to pass it to Tiburcio. And again, mananatili sila sa kanila ang possession with 15 seconds on their shot clock. Mintis sila doon. Minguez with the rebound.
Kunanan to Tabuso.
Tabuso with an open 3. Wala yon. And Calusor securing the board at Rodriguez. Hinabol. Muntik pang mahabol yun ni Minguez. And only a 2-point ball game. Kunanan to King. Good fake. And a traveling violation.
That was a traveling violation. Sayang yung transition coach, no? Nararamdaman nila kung na lumalapit na talaga yung Malinaw sa kanila eh. The momentum is there, so they have to stop. And what kind of adjustment ang gagawin nila?
And Malinaw and Naldosa. For Tabaco, Naldosa will check in for Kunanan, and same goes with Blanca.
And as we see in this game, coach, makikita mo yung effectivity ng mga guards ng Malinaw eh.
Tiburcio underneath. At nakuha nila ang possession na yon. And Diago fouling Balance there in that last sequence.
Yun, substitution. Ibabalik na naman yung Bunggon kasi I think kailangan nila ng mga outside shooting.
The good friend of ours.
Yung boss ko.
Provincial Director Richard Ong.
Yes.
Katabi namin ngayon.
Let us acknowledge the presence of the Provincial Director, SBP Albay, Sir Engineer Richard Ong.
At ayan, ang bola napunta sa Tabaco. And Minguez, medyo hot potato yon. At yun nga, a good defense there by the team Malinaw, not giving up on that play, and Calusor helping Bobis to deny that attempt on Minguez.
Hopefully, makita na natin dito, coach, yung hustle na pinapakita ng Malinaw. So, if they're going to yung magiging consistency today, pwedeng makuha nila yung lead to end this quarter.
Naldosa missing his layup at ayun na si Bobis, nauna yung bola palabas ng court. With 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter of action. Again, only a 2-point ball game. Right now, coach, ano pa ang kailangan gawin ng Team Malinaw para makuha na nila ng tuluyan ang kalamangan?
Don't stop. Yan ang pinakamagandang gawin nila. Don't stop kasi yung hustle, the momentum of their defense, nando na. So if they are going to stop until the end of the quarter, possible na manalo sila ngayon.
At yun na nga ang susubukan nilang gawin. Pero Borhal, sabi ni Borhal, ako din, hindi ako mag-stop.
Nawalan lang talaga ng help defense doon sa pick and roll na situation eh.
And Blanca, si Blanca hindi pa umiinit sa tres eh.
Wala pa, coach. Isa pa lang yung makikita kong na-convert niya eh.
And puntahan muna natin si Carmela Hernandez na may dalang ulat para sa atin. Carmela,
Yes, Coach Kyle and Coach Ray, according to Coach Robert Romero of Tabaco, ang naging plano nila for this quarter ay patakbuhin sa transition offense yung mga bigs nila dahil daw advantage nila yun kumpara sa mga big men ng Malinao. And they focus in their defense to stop the players of Malinao in painted area, especially Punzalan. Back to the panel.
at yun na nga ang gustong gawin ng Team Tabaco. They want to stop Punsalan from getting the boards. And I guess magandang strategy,
Yes,
magandang game
Coach.
plan din yon. Borjal stretching. Pero hindi nila na-convert yun. Pero ang bola ay nasa kanila pa rin. With a fresh 24. Pero Bonggon!
That's a soft touch, Coach. No?
Yung merong decent shooting range talagang itong Bonggon na to, di ba?
Tsaka easy lang sa kanya, Coach, kasi yung reach ng kamay, yung
Oo.
height niya.
Parang nilalagay na lang sa ring eh. Pero Liangco. At on top is
Ayan
Bobis.
naman yung Bobis.
Ang ganda ng mga intention nitong Team Malinaw. They want to drop off every time na may ma-open sa ilalim. Pero in that last sequence, magandang basa on the part of the defense, of the interior defense of Team Tabaco. Pero nasa kanila pa rin ang bola with 5 seconds on their shot clock.
What kind of inbound play kaya gagawin nito ng team?
Pop out to the corner. Hindi. Nandun yung curl.
That's decoy lang pala, Coach. Yung
Oo.
pop up to the corner eh.
Balance with another layup. And I guess that is already the 12 points here in our ball game for Balance. And that is his season high for Ako Bicol Cup.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, Coach, na exposure ng mga home group players.
Definitely, hindi natin makikilala si Tabuso if not because of this Ako Bicol Cup.
Baka siguro pinoprotesta lang to sa Tabaco pero hindi natin alam dito sa Legazpi, no?
And naggulat doon si Tiburcio. He was called for a 3 seconds violation there. With under 2 minutes to go sa ating third quarter. Balance missing his 3-point shot pero si King making sure na marami nang namintis din
That's
ni
the
King.
effort of getting his own rebound.
Rodriguez kontra kay Balance. Rodriguez with a little crossover. Good pass. Again. Pero hindi
Medyo
nila
gigil lang yung Bobes eh. Tsaka hingal na, Coach, kung titingnan mo. Hindi mo rin matatawaran yung ginawa niyang effort ng first and second. Even kahit hindi siya kalakihan pero talagang tinatapatan niya yung mga bigs ng Tabaco.
But right now, again, Team Tabaco enjoying a 10-point lead with under a minute to go sa ating third quarter. Pero ang magandang bagay dito sa Team Malinaw right now, Coach Reynel, is they preserve the foul of Tiburcio.
Yes.
And a good challenge there para sa tira ni Cunanan, and Tiburcio is running and attacking for his layup.
Grabe yung mamang na to. Tumakbo, Coach, no? Mas mabilis pa sa gwardya. Iba talaga yung kapasidad ng Tiburciong to.
Balance. Cunanan in that right corner. And hanggang nakahanap doon, nakakita sila ng butas sa zona with under 20 seconds to go. Rodriguez nag-iisa. He needs some help. Pero yun na nga, naagaw na ng Team Tabaco. Naldosa for 3. Short yun, straight but short. And now Blanca stepping on the gas. Blanca! Lilipad.
Kinaliwa pa yung layup.
Borjal, muntik pa yun. At sa pagtatapos ng ating third quarter of action, lamang pa rin ang Tabaco but only an 8-point lead kontra dito sa Team Malinaw. Magbabalik po kami sa fourth and final quarter ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya, o kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal na hahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanang Bicol, Tabang ora mismo.
And we are in our fourth and final quarter ng labanang Team Tabaco versus Team Malinao. And right now, Team Tabaco is sitting on a comfortable margin with 8 points.
Okay, Coach, let's take a look the leading scorer of both teams. From Tabaco, we have Bungon with 19 points, Balance with 13 points on his score, Kunanan with 13, and on the other side naman with Malinao team, Kalunsor with 13, Punsalan with 9 points, and Rodriguez with 11 points.
At yun na nga ang ating scoring leader so far in our ball game. Punsalan with a short stab. Nakuha niya doon yung friendly bounce. Minguez. And right now, the 5 on the floor for the Team Tabaco is Minguez, Tabuso, Kunanan, Borjal, and Bongon. Babantayan sila ni Rodriguez, Blanca, Punsalan, Tiburcio, and Seriola. Tabuso with the attack. Another foul on Coach Badong Rodriguez.
Yung Tabuso, Coach, pumipihit pa rin, no? The ageless with fearless.
So that's the third personal foul on Rodriguez, John Rodriguez, and Tabuso will take 2 free throws to add more sa kanilang kalamangan.
Yung presence ng pagiging veteran ng Tabuso, Coach, kahit hindi mo totally maasahan ngayon yung points, pero yung contribution niya sa defense, yung leadership, andyan. Grabe naman yung layup ni Blanca. Ito, isa rin tong one of the kind player ng Amando Cope. Also, he is a dunker then before.
Minguez, inilagay na lang yun sa ring.
That's an easy layup from Minguez.
With under the 9 minutes left sa ating fourth quarter, Blanca with a 3. Yun na. Sabi mo kanina, hindi nagpaparamdam si Blanca. Then right now, he hits the triple.
Hindi pwedeng matapos ngayon yung larong tong hindi ako magparamdam.
So will definitely come to you. Kunanan with a good streak there. At ayun na si Seriola, nag-iisa doon, hahabulin ni Kunanan. Pero sure points na yon para sa Team Malinao. And right now, another 3-point ball game.
Maganda yung ginagawa nilang defense, energy. Yung active hands nila, Coach, nandun. Ayan na naman, Coach.
And another foul on Rodriguez. And that's his 4th personal foul. And this will be big on the part of Malinao. Lalo pa at humahabol pa sila dito.
Kaya kailangan munang pagpahingain muna to si Rodriguez.
And that is why Kalusor hindi na papalitan. Pero si Balance ay pumasok para kay Bongon. And mananatili ang possession sa Team Tabaco with 14 seconds on their shot clock. Minguez with a 3. A good hustle there from Tiburcio. And Blanca stepping on the gas. Lilipad! Pero
grabe yung
Minguez said, no.
speechless, Coach. Grabe.
Minguez with the chase
hindi
down.
nakadikit sa board, no?
With a chase down there. Pero nandun pa rin sa kanilang possession with 18 seconds on the clock.
The
Blanca.
experience of Minguez.
Inantay niya munang tumalon si Blanca doon bago siya nag-react. Pero Blanca again, off the glass, 2 points. And again, this is a 1-point ball game.
Takeover mode na to si Blanca.
He was off from the first half pero definitely ngayon ay nagpaparamdam na. Borjal kontra kay Punsalan. Minguez with a 3. Wala yun. And Tiburcio at ayun na naman si Seriola. Ay, nabitawan ng konti yung bola. Na-excite siya doon.
Oo, kasi nakita ko tumatawa na coach Bumawi naman siya.
Pero nakapulot siya ng foul doon kay Chris Minguez. And again, the Team Malinaw doing the effort. And right now, they have the chance to grab the lead back for their side with the 2 free throws of Seriola.
If he convert the 2 possession dito sa free throw, coach, eto yung first, I think, na lead nila sa ball game na to.
This will be the first one. And Seriola making sure of his first free throw, and right now we are having a deadlock right now with 7-7 apiece. At ayun na, nakuha nila ang kanilang unang kalamangan.
That's a good sign, coach, kasi yung momentum nandun na sa kanila
Definitely right. King Tiburcio. Ugnanan with a 3. Wala yun at ang bola. Andyan na naman tumatakbo ang mga taga-Team Malinaw. But Rodriguez directing traffic. Ngayon Punsalan kontra kay King. King needs some help. Pero yun
That's a good help from Bungon, coach.
At another steal by Blanca. At yun nga, a wasted possession there for the Team Malinaw with an 1-point lead ngayon sa ating 6 minutes and 15 seconds sa ating game clock. Balanse. Yun ang tinatawag na pamatay sunog.
Yes.
And with that balance 3-point shot, he silenced the crowd for the Team Malinaw.
I think 18 points ito, coach, yung balancing to.
Blanca babawi with this rainbow from the 3-point country. At ayun nga, another good defense for the Team Malinaw.
Yes.
What a shot.
From offense to defense, coach, no? Mararamdaman mo talaga. That's why nakuha nila yung kalamangan ngayon.
We are definitely having a neck-and-neck ball game right now with only a 1-point ball game. And right now, don't look right now. Team Malinaw with a 1-point advantage kontra dito sa Team Tabaco with that last 3-point shot made. Courtesy by Leo Copper Blanca, that rainbow shot. Ang ganda, nothing but net.
Yan, sabi ni Blanca, take over mode muna ako ngayon kasi kailangan naming masungkit yung panalong to So, maganda yung pinapakita, coach. Iba talaga yung player na to. Kahit maalat yung first to third, yung fourth quarter, ibibigay niya talaga.
Yan yung mga literal na sinasabi natin na scorer.
Yes,
the legit
coach.
scorer that anytime na pwedeng pumutok yan.
Hindi niya ako maramdaman sa third, first, second, ako magpaparamdam ng fourth.
At yun nga ating nakikita. Again, we are under 6 minutes to go sa ating ball game. With Team Tabaco with a possession with under 19 on their shot clock. Borjal. At another steal. And Tiburcio. At ayun na naman ang atake. Wala, pero Punsalan with the rebound. Punsalan with the fake. And another shot made by Punsalan.
Ito na yung sinasabi ko.
That's the veteran presence.
Yes, coach.
Inside. Do you think they need to check in Tabuso control the pace
Yes,
of this
coach.
game?
Kailangan nila, coach, to kasi yung pagiging veteran player ito, yung leadership kasi parang pressured na yung Tabaco eh.
And they are rushing things. Pero in that last sequence, na-shoot nila yung bola. Menges kontra kay Punsalan. To Borjal. Borjal, inaatake si Tiburcio. Off the glass. Yan, nakabawi ulit ang Team Tabaco. At nasa kanila naman ang kalamangan with 5-minute mark sa ating fourth quarter. Blanca kontra kay Balance. And Tiburcio stretching for that wonderful layup.
Grabe.
Belangel on the other side. Back to Balance. And a hand check foul there. Hold kay Seriola. That's the 14th foul. Right now, 13th foul of the Team Malinao. And Bongon will check back in for Cunanan. 4 minutes and 44 seconds.
That's a good substitution, coach, sa ginawa ni Coach Monel.
Menges kontra kay Tiburcio. With Tiburcio having his third personal foul there. At ayun na nga, nakuha ni Menges with that attack. That is the fourth personal foul, I guess. Kay Tiburcio. No. Tiburcio will be fouling out of the ball game. Ayun na nga. At we have a timeout here. So Tiburcio will foul out of the ball game. Masakit to on the part of Team Malinao.
Yes, coach, kasi nakikita na natin sana yung nararamdaman na sana natin yung presence ng Tiburcio. The problem is ito nga yung pagiging foul trouble. So, what kind of adjustment? Saan nila ibibigay yung bola? Sino ba yung talagang main man in this quarter?
The question lies right now for the Team Malinao. Who will be the one controlling the board and challenging the inside attack of Team Tabaco? Definitely, they're going to attack with Punsalan with 3 fouls. As well, talagang aatakihin nila ang interior defense nitong Team Malinao.
Yes, coach. Most especially yung mga bigs ng Tabaco ay mga athletic. But sabi ng Malinao, don't worry, andito naman yung bobbies namin.
And that's the 14th foul of the Team Malinao. Ang possession ay mananatili para sa Team Tabaco with 14 seconds on their shot clock. Titingnan natin. Menges kontra kay Bobis. Menges. Mintis yun. Pero the ball will stay sa Tabaco. Bongon with the fadeaway off balance shot. Wala. And Blanca stepping on the gas. Blanca to Punsalan. Punsalan. Hindi niya nakuha doon ang layup. At sa kamilang dako, Menges, that's a hard fall. Pero walang foul na naitawag doon. At sa kabilang dulo, Borjal is called for a foul.
Mararamdaman mo na ngayon, coach, yung intense, no?
Merong contact doon in that last sequence of Rodriguez and Menges.
Ano kaya kung makita ulit natin yung laro ng Libon at Pulangi dito, no?
It can definitely happen with our score. 4 minutes and 4 seconds to go sa ating fourth and final period. With Team Malinao right now enjoying or sitting on a 1-point lead dito sa ating late part ng fourth quarter. And Team Malinao shouting and crying for defense. Balance kontra kay Rodriguez. Bongon on the left wing. Bongon with a short stab. Pero naamintis niya yun at tumatakbo na ang mga taga-Malinao with Seriola leading the break. Punsalan attacking. Muntik pang mabitawan pero mananatili sa kanilang bola. Blanca lilipad. Yes! For the layup.
Yung wrong foot na ginawa, coach, no?
That's an awkward layup pero simpleng-simple yun para kay Blanca. And right now, this is a 3-point ball game. Balance, pinihit, off the glass. binawi din kaagad ni Balance.
Balance is now the leading scorer of Tabaco, coach.
And right now, Balance with 24-point outing dito sa laban nila.
Balancing to, no?
Balance ang scoring niya ngayon. And ayan na si Seriola. And that is out of bounds. Mananatili ang bola sa mga taga Malinaw. They will be inbounding the ball sa baseline with 13 seconds on their shot clock. Same baseline play.
Yes.
Rodriguez directing traffic for this team Malinaw.
Clear out, coach.
And muntik pang niya maipasok pero sa kanya pa rin yung long rebound na yon. And Rodriguez, Bobis, nice pass to Punsalan.
Ganda naman ang drop pass, coach.
The unselfishness right now
Yes.
of this team Malinaw is excellent. Tabuso, stop and pop. Akala ko papasok pa yon. Pero ang bola ay nasa team Malinaw na. And 2-on-1. No, make it 2-on-2. Bobis, lilipad. Mayroon pang foul. And we can see the frustration right now on Tabaco.
Yes, coach. Kasi hindi ko na nakikita yung pag-stop nila sa transition ng Malinaw.
What about their offense right now?
Yung offense nila, coach, parang pilit.
Oo.
Pilit na pilit. It's because of the defense of Malinaw, coach.
You are definitely right, Coach Reynel. The defense of team Malinaw right now giving those forced shot and tough shot para dito sa team Tabaco. And sa kabilang dulo naman ng court, they are converting the fast break opportunity and that is why they are enjoying a 3-point lead.
Yes, that's the X factor na ginawa. And this is a good thing kung bakit nandito yung Bobby sa loob, coach.
Oo.
Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kahit walang Tiburcio, akong bahala.
Siya yung nag-start nung run nila during that second quarter. No Tiburcio, no problem so far.
Yes, yan yung sinasabi.
for
No
the team.
Tiburcio, no problem. May Bobis naman tayo.
For the team Malinaw. And we are under the 3-minute mark of our ball game.
Yung Bobis, coach, rumaragasa. Parang Bobis liner lang.
And Kunanan with the ball. Kontra kay Blanca. At sa kabilang dulo, Bogon. Back irons that one. And mananatili sa kanila ang bola with 10 on the clock. At ayan na naman si Seriola. Pero aantayin niya ang mga kapi niya. That is a good decision by Seriola to pull it back.
Huwag tayo magmadali. Lamang tayo eh.
They will going to waste some time here. Rodriguez kontra kay Balance to Blanca. Blanca for another three. For another 3-point shot by Blanca.
Ilista mo na yan.
Woo! Kanina. At another miscommunication there by...
Ang layo nung tres, coach, no?
If we can just take a look at that shot of Blanca, that is the Lillard. That is from the Lillard and Curry countries.
Ang ganda ng handoff ni Rodriguez.
In Tabuso, weren't expecting na titira ng ganun kalayo si Blanca. And right now, this is a 6-point lead with under the last 2 minutes of our action. Blanca with an isolation. Kontra kay Balance. Humingi siya ng clear out doon. Blanca with another 3. Kung pumasok pa yon, baka sumabog na ang Daraga cover court.
Baka hindi na mag-ilaw itong mga papailawin mamaya.
Sa corner, andon si Bongon with a fade away. He cannot get that bounce. Pero Belangel making sure of that 2-pointer.
Mahaba pa to, coach. Kaya pa nila.
1 minute and 17 seconds.
Yes, kaya pa
Anything
nito.
can happen. Rodriguez. He will use some time. He will waste away the clock here in their possession. Ponsalan kontra kay Bongon. Ponsalan with a short stab. Wala. Ang bola ay mananatili sa Malinaw. Blanca. Drop pass to Bobis. At hindi lang na-convert yun, and I need to stand up kasi
Hindi na natin nakikita,
masyadong
coach.
mainit yung laro at hindi ko na
Oo.
nakikita. And again, what is happening right now sa Team Tabaco? Bakit nababaon ngayon sila with the 4-point lead?
Nakikita ko, coach, yung frustration nila eh. Kasi gusto nilang humabol, they are taking the 3, but hindi nila nakukonvert. That's why, taking the advantage na makuha ng bola ng Malinaw, going to the transition, coach, binibigay palagi kay Hatman natin na si Blanca. Yun, kaya natin nakuha yung lead na to.
And right now, the momentum is clearly on the side of Team Malinaw, and Team Tabaco naman, they are rushing things down. So, I guess that Team Tabaco must settle down on their offensive play.
Actually, coach, mahaba pa to.
55.3.
Oo. Kayang-kaya pa nila. If they convert this play, coach, oo, pwedeng makahabol sila.
Just remember, during the game of Pulangi versus Libon, under 20 seconds, ang daming nangyari.
Yes.
With 0.9 seconds, ha?
Grabe.
Ang daming nangyari. So,
Alam mo,
definitely,
coach, after
mahaba
that
pa
game,
to.
yun yung naging talk of the town.
Oo. And again, itong siguro Team Tabaco, they are planning to do the same sa nangyari dun sa Libon versus Pulangi.
Pa-experience naman.
And right now, with a sideline inbound.
Time out.
And we have a substitution here. Ilalabas muna nila si they want for a small lineup here to defend, I guess, the 3-point play. Pero the Team Tabaco right now must attack the inside because of Ponsalan sitting on the bench. Menges, pipihit, and he get fouled there.
That's a bad decision from Bobby's coach. Penalty
What
na
do you
sila.
think? What do you think that's the game plan of the Team Malinaw kanina? Nilabas nila si Ponsalan. They opted to go small. Is that a good decision on the part of the Team Malinaw?
Yes, coach, kasi they are thinking natitira sa labas. Para mahabol, maka-close out sila, makuha nila yung bantay sa labas. Kailangan nila ng mas mabilis.
And with 45.7 remaining sa ating fourth quarter, Menges making sure of his first free throw. And again, he will try to get another one to bring down this lead to at least 2 points. A very manageable lead.
Let's see what happened, coach, kasi madaming mangyayari to.
And Menges,
And as you can see, coach, it's a battle of substitution na ngayon eh.
very strategic na ang both
Yes.
coaches.
Kailangan mo ditong fill outan yung mga mismatches and also yung mga disadvantage.
And with our game reset, both teams having a 1 timeout apiece, and etong sa kabila ay mayroon pang isang foul to give ang Team Tabaco. And right now, Blanca looking to seal this game away from Team Tabaco. Blanca kontra kay Naldosa. With a little one-on-one. Ponsalan kontra kay Borjal. Ponsalan attacking off the glass. Wala yan. At ang bola ay mapupunta sa Team Tabaco with a chance to tie or even grab the lead back to their side.
Yes. Ito na.
Borjal with a short stop. Mintis lang yun. And we are under 14 seconds of our game clock. They need to foul. They need to foul right now. If you're Team Tabaco, they are
What
wasting
happened?
away the
Bakit
town.
hindi sila-
And Bobby's
What
with a
happened?
shot.
Bakit din sila nagpa-foul, coach?
They needed the foul. With 5.2 seconds remaining, this is a 2-possession ball game right now. So definitely, it will be hard on the part of Team Tabaco on winning this game.
Kailangan sana nilang mag-foul ng coach. Kasi sayang eh, yung possession pwede pa nilang
Team Malinaw almost wasted at least 10 seconds of the clock.
Yes, ang laking wala sa kanila, coach. It's only 4-point lead. But still, hindi nila na-imagine na dapat kailangan nilang mag-foul.
And I guess that is because the low recognition of the time left on the part of Team Tabaco.
Hindi na rin siguro na yung intense na loob, coach, hindi mo na rin talaga maririnig kahit sumisigaw na yung mga coaches.
As we take a look at our proud referees coming from the Samahan ng Basketball ng Pilipinas, kasama nga natin dito ang ating Provincial Director and the Deputy, Sir Jojo Belen, the Poging-Pogi.
Good afternoon po, Sir Jojo.
Wala lang daw tayuan. Kailangan kong tumayo. Natatakpan ako eh. And again, Team Tabaco with the possession, 5.2. They need to go for that 3
Yes, coach.
right now.
And a quick foul.
And ang masama dito, Team Tabaco right now, wala na silang timeout.
Yes. Gamit na nila eh. Sayang yung 10 seconds ko na nawala sa
Oo.
kanila. It's a big help sana, no? If they convert this play.
Balance with a 3. And I guess that's it. That's for our ball game with 0.5 seconds.
Iba.
We weren't expecting na ganito yung magiging turnaround ng ating ball game. Pero definitely not. And the win will go to the Team Malinaw with 94 and 90 kontra dito sa Team Tabaco. Coach, what do you think happened here in our ball game? Nakita natin the first run is on the part of the Team Tabaco, and this game bigla na lang nanalo yung Team Malinaw.
Yes, it's because the adjustment, yung hustle, yung energy, yung guards, coach, napaka-effective from 3rd to 4th, and at the same time, take over mode na coach yung Blanca. Yan yung reason kung bakit nakuha yung panalo nila. Without Tiburcio, coach, andyan yung presence ng Blanca. That's why they win this game.
At yun na nga din yung napakaganda doon na nakita natin. The game is exchange of runs, pero ang question na lang kung sino ang magiging consistent.
Yes, so talagang makakahabol pa ba? Pwede pang bumawi? Let's see kung anong pwedeng mangyari. Ano?
And right now, ang ating susunod na game will be the Team Bakakay versus Team Malilipot. At yun, matutunghayan natin yan maya-maya lamang. And
this is another good game next natin, coach. Ano?
at maganda pa, pangalawa pa lang tayo ng ating bakbakan dito sa Sunday Special ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And syempre, marami pang iaasahan natin na mga laban na talagang patatayuin tayo dito sa ating silya.
Coach!
And kanina, in that last sequence na mga nangyari dito sa game na to, we are up on our feet. Talagang bakbakan yung laban, and we weren't expecting that for this game.
Kasi anytime, coach, pwedeng may mangyaring miracle, di ba? So we don't know kung ano talagang possibility na mangyari.
And now let's go to our courtside. Kasama na ni Carmela Hernandez, ang Kong Saldico Kasurog Player of the Ball Game.
Kasama na nga natin ang Kasurog Player of the Game. Walang iba kundi si Leo Blanca, garnering 21 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, and 2 steals. So Leo, at the very first of the game, it was very crucial and tight. Ano ba yung naging motivation nyo at naipanalo nyo pa ang laro ngayon?
Nag-focus lang kami sa depensa namin na binibigay ng aming coaches. Kita naman sa laro, mismatch kami, maliliit, sila malalaki. Pero binigay lang namin yung best namin para sa game na ito. Tsaka yung puso, yun talaga nagpapanalo sa team namin.
May gusto ka bang batian at pasalamatan?
Unang-una, binabati ko po ang ating Panginoon dahil siya po ang naggabay sa amin ng panalo na ito. Yung pamilya ko sa Malinaw, yung asawa ko si Princess, yung dalawa kong anak, si Lian, si Liam. Hello sa inyo, alam ko nanonood sila. Yung papa ko na nanonood ngayon. Yung tatay ko pala na nasa langit na kaka-pass away lang niya. Alam ko nanonood din siya. Sa lahat ng mga taga Malinaw, hello po sa inyo. Tsaka yung susunod na laro, yung Malilipot, binabati ko din po sila. Yung mga kasamahan ko dati sa college.
So thank you, Leo, and once again, congratulations. Balik sa inyo, Coach Cal at Coach Ray.
At yun na nga, maraming salamat Coach Ray dito, Carmela Hernandez, sa kasama niya yung ating Kong Saldico Best Player of the Ball Game na si Leo Copper Blanca with a tremendous job. Nakita nga natin the presence of Leo Copper Blanca, hindi natin naramdaman during that first half, pero definitely he picked up this game during that second half.
Yes, coach. Iba talaga pag sinabi mong scorer. Pag
Oo.
sinabi mong scorer, coach, I can lead the team to win this game. So talagang wala tayong masasabi. Deserve niya yung pagiging best
And
player.
I guess this is the time for us to rest for a bit para sa ating third game ng ating Sunday's Best dito sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Magbabalik po kami. Diyan lamang po kayo.
Mga problemang legal sa tuyang susolusyonan ora mismo. Problema sa barangay, issue sa daga, problema sa pamilya. O kaya naman love life, issue sa trabaho, asin iba pang issue legal. Nahahanapan ng kasimbagan. Digdisin na yan sa Tabang Legal, Kanako Bicol. Tabang ora mismo. Hatod sa ito Kanako Bicol Party List. Asin kan Action Cost Center ni Congressman Saldi Co. Problemang legal, itabang legal.
Nag-oral ako sa imo. Aram mo may akong anak kinagrelasyon ka.
Aram ko lang kay Vicky, humanda ka Vicky sa ko. Tababang no katudurugin kita.
Lahat po ng sinabi nila, walang katotohanan.
Wala naman sila doon nang pumupunta sa bahay namin. Ang magulang niya.
Kung dili sa Baskaran, wala petisyon din. Ang pangitan na sa amon, mga sabi utang sana.
Kung di sana nagadag sa akin, wala man ako sa iyo magad sa pinto.